In this video, I will show you how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now you can see currently my taskbar is visible, it's not currently transparent. To do this, what we're going to be doing is downloading an app from the Microsoft Store. Now to do that, come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, go ahead and type Store, and then open up Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once the Microsoft Store has opened, what you're going to want to do now is come up to the top to the search box, and into the search box you want to go ahead and type translucent TB. So that's one word, just like this, and then search for this on the Microsoft Store. So translucent TB is completely free, and you can see the app here, it's got this logo, so you want to give it a click and then click the blue get button. So just give that a click and this is going to download and install this onto your PC. As mentioned, it's a completely free app. It only uses a few megabytes of RAM and it just makes the Windows taskbar translucent. So you just want to give it a minute to download. As you can see, the app has now finished downloading, so all you need to do now, you can see it's still visible, but if I go ahead and click the blue open button, as you can see straight away our taskbar is going to go translucent. It's going to be transparent. Now what you can also do when you first use this, you're going to get a pop-up window like this. If you actually go ahead and click the blue continue button, and this is going to keep it running in the background. So as you can see, our taskbar is now completely transparent. If I come down to the bottom, you can just see the icons, and that is how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.